Right now I'm in Dyker Heights, which is in Brooklyn, pretty far away from Manhattan, like 1.5 hour subway ride, but this place is really famous for, that's right, Christmas decorations. Apparently people around here take Christmas decoration quite seriously, and they have an entire neighborhood of houses decorated for Christmas. It's like a competition or something. Dyker Heights, which is a neighborhood in Brooklyn, which is like 1.5 hour subway trip from Manhattan. They have this lovely neighborhood where everybody, I mean, most of the people are decorating their house for Christmas, and it's truly amazing. Looks like in the movies. And yeah, they even have music. Wow. And look at them, they're like everywhere. Well, not all the houses, but a lot of them. Look at this one. They're so nice. So definitely worth the trip. If it's not too cold, it's not really cold, but you just have to walk for like a few streets. So all this police and traffic is basically because everybody wants to see the lights from the car. So that's why it's like a lot of traffic on this tiny street. And there are like tons of tourists. Yeah. Well, I understand why. here. But I think this is what I would call a lot of decorations. Where's the house? I mean, and look at the crowd. Oh my god. I don't know where the people live because it's like full of angels and nutcracker statues. Apparently it's the North Pole. Oh, there's a chair. Okay. So these guys came here to see the lights, the decoration with the limo. And the first thing they said was that the Santa that house has, it's creepy. Out loud. I thought it was super rude. But yeah, and I just saw like a dozen of police officers, I don't know, gathering someplace. I'm walking on the streets and there are like tons of police cars. Yeah, it's super weird. I wonder what they do for other holidays like Halloween or stuff. Okay, here's another one. Christmas Wonderland, and this is not a joke. I just saw somebody eating ice cream and I cannot feel my fingers. Is there something wrong with me? I mean, obviously Christmas is coming. And Christmas is in December, which is cold here in the northern hemisphere. Wow. Okay, let's process this for a bit. Final update from Christmas Wonderland before my camera dies because it's so cold. You know, the battery is dying faster when it's colder. When it's cold outside. It's actually freezing, it's not cold. I cannot feel my fingers, so it's really hard to do anything. Here are some more. There are like a lot of streets, but there are like 3 main streets that have like the most impressive decoration, and well, the houses are bigger also, and you can tell that it's like a lot of, well, actually they hire companies that are like Christmas decoration companies, and some do it by themselves, like the small ones I guess, but not really. But the bigger ones, they had a sign like this company or that company. So basically it's windy. I don't know if you can hear me. Anyway, we shall see. Here's the Grinch. Yeah. So I think I had enough. I cannot feel my fingers. It's not good. And I will head home because it's gonna take me another hour and a half at least to get back to my bed. Well, my cousin's bed, but you get the idea. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it, because I did. And it was not the coldest day ever, it was just normal December temperature. This one is not working either, come on, focus. Yeah, so it was not the coldest day ever in December. It's just a normal day in December. It's not even snow, although there was some snow left from a few days ago. But it's really windy. I don't know what's the thing here. Everywhere in New York is really windy, and that's why it feels like it's super, super cold. Yeah, and I dressed for winter for this small trip. And still, I'm cold now. I don't know where's the metro, but still have to see some houses if I get to the metro, because there are more houses. Okay, this way I guess. Yeah. I just noticed that I walked more streets than I was planning to. But even so, I can see more houses, but I cannot walk anymore. And I have to rectify something. The ice cream truck is not selling just ice cream, it's also selling hot cocoa. Because, you know, there are a lot of people walking around, so everybody's freezing. What do they want? Something to drink. Hot. Yeah. And there are a lot of houses where nobody on the street, and then there are some few houses where it's full of people. You cannot see them. Look, ice. That's how cold it is. It's remaining ice from some days ago. Oh, look, some more houses. Maybe I should take a selfie to remember this magical moment. Yeah.